Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this Samsung. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same one again. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll down and choose location section. Then click on this switcher at the top to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!